This is our OCTIMA 3440HD quad dome camera, and boy, it's packed with a 10-gallon hat's worth of features, a multi-sensor, multi-direction, and multiple megapixel camera package. This product was created to provide you with 4 cameras and an all-in-one housing solution. It captures a wide 360-degree field of view, giving you the capabilities to look in multiple directions within a single product, which reduces your total number of installed cameras and ultimately reduces your overall costs. Talking specs, this unit outputs 8 megapixel total resolution. Individually, each of the 4 cameras produce 2 megapixel streams and combined 1 quad view stream, depending on your settings. Each camera can also be independently controlled as a mini PTZ with 100-degree fields of view and 3 times optical zoom. Several use case examples include looking around corners in drive-thrus, intersections, and much more. This quad dome package performs well in all lighting conditions, and you'll be happy to hear that you can pull 4 streams from a single IP address. Power is supplied by PoE Plus from a single Cat5 cable, and installation is a snap with the included quick mount coupling. This camera solution is ON-VIF Profile S compliant and can be viewed or configured using HTML5 on multiple browsers, such as Microsoft, Firefox, or Chrome. Ready right out of the box, setup is done directly from the web browser without the need to install anything extra. Enhance and optimize your surveillance needs and lower your installation costs with our OCTIMA 3440HD. Contact Costar Video or Cohu HD sales departments for demos and more. I'm Mike Rose with Costar Video Systems.